A 30-day squat challenge that will completely change your buttocks. Basic squat. Start standing, feet apart, shoulder width apart and hands clasped in front of chest, elbows slightly bent. Rub your abs, push your hips back and bend your knees, lower your body into a squat. Pause at the bottom, then push back to the top. Do it 15 times. Glute kickback. Stand with your legs separated by shoulder width. Sit back and squat, keep your weight on your heels, and wrap your fists together in front of your chest. Lift your left leg straight behind you, keeping your hips square. Return to the squat area and repeat on the other side. That is one answer. Do it 20 times. Basic squat plus kickback squat. Combine basic squat from day 1 and kickback squat from day 2. Do you wish another month of movement after completing this squat challenge? Try our 30-day plank program. Perform 15 times the basic squat. Perform 15 times the kickback squat.